Hey guys, welcome back. Today, me, Sid, and Josh are going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. What?
Don't press the button. Don't press the button.
Oh, damn, bro. Guys, there's snowballs. Also, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Get us to 200 subs, please. Okay.
Come here and kiss me on my hot mouth.
Ayo. Ready? Oh my god, what up with that jumpy button?
Oh, wait, the piss.
Hey. Josh! Ethan! Bra, 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 bra. Oh god. Wait a minute, what the? Oh god. Hey. Among Us. Did somebody say, did somebody say? Oh god, not this one.
So easy.
Among Us. I like Among Us. Big Among Us. Chunky dog. Yeah, Fortnite, I'm out to get some. Guys, comment down below if you saw how, guys, who saw how orange the sun was yesterday?
No, it was 2 days ago.
Oh, it was really? But yeah, no, yesterday it also was really orange. No, yesterday and the day before that, the sun was so orange. Like literally. Yeah!
Come on, kiss me on my hot mouth. There you go. What?
Among Us. No, Daddy, no.
On Among Us, suddenly, and then there's Among Us.
Among Us.
Grappling hook. Let them grappling hook.
No. Today I don't like to shoot. Who's cheating? Grapples? No. Ethan is becoming a cheat. Ethan be cheating.
Let me grappling hook.
No. No.
Not me. Grappling hook, my G.
No!
Did you see how good I was cooking?
Help Santa find the presents.
How about you get stuck on my balls, Santa?
Among Us. I found a present. No! Wow, Ethan and Josh, you need to join me, guys.
Bro, you guys are bad. You guys are so mean.
I gotta slide down. Aw, man.
Skylar, funny man.
Skylar, funny.
Wait, where's Koa?
Oh, Coco Coams.
Where are Koalas?
Come on. Oh, come on.
Get it! There is Coco Koams.
Pumpkin monster. We gotta. Remember when Pumpkin Monster? Yeah, Pumpkin about to get down. That was weird.
Pumpkin Royale. Oh my god!
Oh God! What the hell? Oh, damn, bro. Guys, Josh, run!
Why is this idiotic scary?
This is no. This is an idiot. This is what you do when you're in idiotic menace.
This is a horror game, bro.
That pumpkin monster is an idiotic menace.
This is a horror game, bro.
Yeah, number 1 victory royale. Yeah, Fortnite about to get down. Get down, take kills of the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town.
We're down to security, and we're gonna be playing that on the channel soon.
Yeah, Josh might be playing some FNAF security group soon.
Yeah, because Ethan will be on our pretty scared to get the game.
No, I'm not allowed to.
Holy hell, I just saw this.
And also, I don't even really like the game, so that's why I'm letting Josh. Josh, you see me up here? Josh, do you see me?
No, you died.
I'm up here. You see me?
I see you, hi!
Hello. I'm hunted for Ethan.
Yo, where is this dude?
Where are you? Ooh. Ethan.
Hello? Oh! He's in me on Chewy! He's in me on Chewy!
Take cover, Daddy. Take cover. We got a number 1 victory right now.
Bruh!
What? Oh.
He's in me on Chewy!
Oh, hi guys. It's just us 3 and some other person.
He's in me on Chewy!
Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Get it. Ethan, where did you get the grappling hook from?
Chop. Bought it.
Bruh.
Oh, come on. It's awesome. And it's not even that good to win.
Snowman! Do you want to build a snowman? I'm going to zoom up right here. Get ready to click. Spam. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. No! Come on. My jump button. Oh, wait. I can still go.
Oh, this is Super Mario 64 Bob on Hill? Bob on Battlefield?
I guess. Seems like it.
Yo.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Stupid snow.
Wait, no.
Oh, shit, tripping. Oh, hi, Josh. We got a number 1 victory royale. Oh, damn.
Go the way you blow it, muffle.
Come on. Yes. Me and Josh. Hey, Josh.
Yo, is there anything like trying to...
I guess not. Wait, you said you won? I'm coming,
Now,
boys.
let's get to the real mountaintop. This is the highest point.
Yeah.
We fly. Yep, totally.
Oh, God. Guys, this is like the Glass Bridge in Squid Games. I got a number 1. I think we're kind of being brutal letting the other people go. Okay.
Can you
Vicky,
kiss me?
you go. Loser, go.
No. Can you
Ethan, is it safe?
kiss me?
Aw, damn it.
Bro, that ain't fair. No way to tell.
Okay, yeah, that's actually true. It's a complete guessing game. I'm spamming the button.
No one like guessing games, right?
Spam. Josh just won the castle game.
Just just unpause it.
Yeah, it is. I got number 1. Wait, it's still going? Oh. Okay, guys, I'm going to try entering the castle.
I'm the only one who made it. You're
Right.
bad.
Oh, God. I don't like this one. No, 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 no.
Bing chilling.
Bing chilling. Bing chilling. I got a number 1 Among Us. Damn. Legit tripping. Legit.
Doesn't matter.
Oh. Oh, well.
Tonight, there's a party on the top of the world.
Nah, nah, nah.
Doesn't matter.
Da, da, da. Oh, well.
No, no, no. Oh, well.
Nah, nah, nah.
Tonight, there's a party on the top of the world. And then,
Bro, how did I die, bro? Among Us. Ethan, why don't you tell everyone how, if they don't know, tell everybody about the air quality, Ethan.
doesn't matter. No, no, no. Oh, well.
Ethan, tell everybody about the air quality.
Wait, what?
Tell everybody on the video about the air quality.
Okay, so, you know on the east, in Canada there's currently like wildfires.
Yeah.
So we live on the east coast. So we live on the east coast, and we're getting hit by all this smoke. So currently, so I looked on my Apple Watch and a government website, which said the air quality is around 300.
Yeah, like around 300. This morning it was only like 100. Donald Trump, Daddy.
But it should be so.
Dang it, I was about to make it.
Around 300.
Hurry to
It's
the
kinda scary.
ground. Da, 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 da. Hurry to the ground. Hurry to the ground. Damn.
Wait now.
I like Among Us. Yeah. Press it. Oh God, this is like the other. Oh my God. Why are there people jumping off? That is really stupid.
What's wrong with it? Boy? It's so easy. It goes so slow. Dude, how are people dying, dude? My best El Caprino voice.
What you doing? What you doing? It's El Gabolino, yeah.
If anyone dies, it sucks.
Oh, shut up, Josh. It's only us 3. Ooh, no, it's not. There's also... Yeah!
Go, Bing Jilling.
Ding, ding, ding. Ethan, ice cream? Ethan, ice cream?
No.
Bing, ding, ding.
Go.
Did somebody say hello me?
Go.
Oh, yes, I'm choking.
Boy.
360 dose go. 360 dose go. We're chunky now. Chunky. Oh, come on.
Josh is gonna make a jump. Mac Daddy will make a. We're Ginos. We're
Ethan.
Ginos. Hi, Daddy Dino. Hi, Daddy.
Daddy? Daddy. Stop the incoming balls by touching them.
You
Yay.
gotta touch these balls.
Balls. Give me the balls. Yeah.
So juicy.
Balls.
Somebody to touch these
Balls.
balls.
You need to
Guys, we need
touch.
to touch the balls.
Touch balls. I like touching these balls.
Come on, kiss me on my hot mouth.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Freaking kiss me on my hot mouth. Whoa, Liana! Tiny dinos! Tiny dinos! Dinos?
Tinos.
Yeah.
No, no. The big ones are called gynos.
No, we're called Gynos.
Yeah, I said that, gynos.
Gynos and Tynos.
Gynos with that tynos.
Gynos and Tynos. I'm a Gyno.
I'm a tyno.
Oh my god, 2 big swimming balls.
Oh, balls! Whee!
I don't want to be hit by these 2 big swimming
Rob
balls.
the bank! Oh my god! No, guys, imagine if you actually see a mob of dinosaurs coming to rob your bank. That would be so stupid, like, actually.
Bro, some people are freaking not dinos.
How could they? You gotta be dinos in this. If you're not, you're a menace. Like that pumpkin guy. That pumpkin monster ass thing.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin spice and mate.
Tynos win! The Tynos win!
Tynos!
Because us vaginos, Tynos.
Oh my god!
Dang.
Bro, the Gynos all die. Let's be honest, you're not a Gyno.
I just died, that's why.
Yeah, because I was too big. I was too morbidly obese.
See guys, this is why being chunky isn't good.
Yeah.
I'm still a Gyno.
It's only good to be chunky in meme edition. It's only good to be chunky in meme edition. That's how it works.
I'm a Gyno.
You're a China.
I'm not anything. I'm just being a chunky dino.
Bing Jinning.
I know identify.
Oh, God. Oh. Who was the mom?
It's a mom.
Bigger.
Oh.
There's only 2 Gynos left. 2? Wait,
No,
what?
one.
I didn't die.
This is just gets removed.
Infinity. Infinity and beyond. Oh, damn. Dang, Daniel, damn. Damn. Damn, Daniel, damn. Damn, Daniel, damn. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel,
I never play video games.
Daddy.
Never play video games, no more. Never play video games. Except for Leo. Never play video games.
Who are you?
Never play video games no more. Never play video games. Except for Leo. I never play video games. I never play video games no more. I never play video games. Except for Leo. I never play video games. Oh, I don't play video games no more. I never play video games. Except for Leo. Never play video games. Oh, I don't play video games no more. I never play video games. I don't play video games no more. I never play video games.
Get him, boys, get him.
I don't play video games. I don't play video games no more. I never play video games.
21.
When you suck on my bingo.
What? No! Daddy, we're tiny. The button's now big. Oh, yeah, I can do 360 no-scos again. Daddy. God, mushroom! Give me the mushrooms.
Hello, being. Hi, mushrooms.
Guys, one more round. It's been 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, the mysterious game. I'm resetting so